Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
First of all, let's pray and thanks to all God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Lord of the world, who has given us mercy and blessing, so we can attend and gather without any trouble and obstacle. Finally, my praise and salutation to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has freed us from the darkness shirk to be brightness tauhid and Islam religion. So, hello everyone. Today, or this time, we have do like WTT or we can teach start. Now we have a matter about portfolio. So, uh, I for the speaker, my name is Hafiz Putra, and so Hafiz Putra, and so for the host is Alif Satria. So, Alif Satria is your time. Time is yours.
Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, now I want to share uh, the simple landing page that has the navbar, guys. So let's see, we can see here. This is a simple website that I have made like just only 10 minutes, guys. So we can learn this first. Okay, for the first, guys, don't forget to don't install the Visual Studio Code, and then you guys can get the some extension that's name is live server and prettier. Yeah. I will explain you guys about the live server. Live server is like to launch the local server with if you guys use like HTML, guys, that you can use this for open your project, guys. And for the second is prettier. Prettier is what? Prettier is like to make your code is more pretty. That's help you guys for the code formatter, guys. Okay, for the first, let's we make like the landing page simple. After that, you can make it like index. Yeah, and then you guys can make it style like this. Okay, for the first guys, you can use like this word, and then you can enter here. You can see, so you can like make a. You can give the title like landing page. Okay, after that we can use. We make some navbar guys, and for the navbar guys, it's just on body and this like this guys. And then after that, you can give the class. And for the class is nav. And what is the class? So guys, that class is like you make some books that you have a bookshelf that have a class on the bookshelf that uh, it's like guys, it can be random guys maybe. Okay, and then for the next case, you can make a if as container. And then for the next, you can go to use the div class logo. Okay, this is will have the so this is like a class guys. Like now we have like maybe 11 11B or 11A. Now, this is same, but this is have a title like this is a logo or what something guys. Okay, after you make like this, you can give. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. This yes, we have at the brand. It has span on our div, and then after that you can make a new that has a UL, and in the UL we have a class again that's name is navlink. That's share you guys a link, and then after that others we make like this, and then we can guess at L, that is. And then after that, this is we only just like this. We don't need to like add the class because we have the class on the top like this and the URL that is using it. So then we can do okay. This is guys is like show you guys the link, and you can see here like there's feature, and then you can give the link that maybe show you guys the feature that's link from you guys. Maybe this random just because we don't have the link, so we can use just like this. You guys can follow me, and then for the next we have again, and then this same, but it's we mix two like about and features. Okay, for the next guys, we have like on the next. This is you can give the tag like this is the nav. Yes, nav. Okay, for the next we make a new that is a hero section. So this is like the head of the point, guys that show a lot like maybe show you guys the text or anything like that. So you guys can use it like this. This is a header. So after we header is the head of the content. So we can add the header with the class same like in the on the top. This can use header. Yep. And then you guys can add the class that's name is hero. And then for the next we have a div class that has container. So this is will contain the text, and then on the container we make a which one, and then this is text like give the best solution for teaching coding, for learning coding. Okay, this is like the most title that has a big font. That's for the smaller you can use two, and then can use three. That's more smaller. Okay, and then for the next we have here like start your way to learn how happier and easier to learn. Okay. Yes, okay, let's go. We just only like have 20 minutes. So okay, we just go next, guys. For the next we have a feature section that has given you the feature of the section. Then at this video. Okay. Here we can make a new section, guys. Section, and then on the section we have like ID, guys. ID. That's name is features because we will call on the CSS, so that's why we could use the ID or some. Yeah, yes. After that, we can go to down and then can make div again that places container usually. So this is the class will we call on the style of CSS that's only style that's class, guys. So that's make it simple. Okay, for this for next we have container. After container we have H2S. Oh my bad, guys. Okay. So, and then after this you can give the class to that name is section title. So maybe guys, I will make this more faster, guys. You can see and you can follow me. So I will like take some. Okay, this is like a why we choose, why we choose it. So this after this we make uh, new div that has class again. There's usually that's name is feature grid. So I will make this faster, guys. So we will. So just you guys just can follow guys like this. We chosen, so this is faster and easier. Material is easy, guys. And then we have a div class that show the feature grid, and we have a div class that feature card so icon. So this is a feature card. So card is like, guys, some card maybe like you see something on the website that has show the box. That is card based. Okay. For the next, we have okay. Okay. For the next, we have like this is. So is like can so this is just like a class section class again CTA, and this is a div class container ready for start your project for. So this is like for you guys can okay, let's me review on the web page. Wait, let's, let me change. So without the CSS, we only just like seeing this, then maybe you are all talking why this website is like this. That's not like our maybe we think is more good because we don't we don't use the CSS that maybe style this website. So this is the for the future. You can click. That's why will be linked on the other website, guys. Okay. So we next to the CSS, guys. Okay. This is more easy, guys, because we just like calling something for the first. First, you can use this. And this is like a universal of the CSS. So that's is we can use of all CSS, and this is will all add on the always. So we have a margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and then we have a font family. This is like like name is this is a font, and then we can use the HTML on scroll behavior smooth. So this is like um, make your website more smooth. Okay, guys. Wait, yes. Okay, guys. The next, guys. I'm sorry. There's something. Okay. After you guys use this, after you guys have add the HTML behavior, now we goes to body. So this will change and all of style on the body, guys. In the body, on the body that we must like line height. This will give you guys like line of the height that's make our websites more good, and then we can add some color. This is random. You can use any color, but here I will use 30, 50. And then for the background color, I use the white. Yes. And then guys, for the next, after the body, we goes to container that, guys, you can see here that container has a lot of class here. So like we call some new class, guys. We call that class is the name is container. So this is will change all of the container style, guys. So because of that, let's go. We use this and we use the max white, that is one 1000.100 px, and then 0 margin that we can use auto, and the padding is 0.20 pixels. So for the next, oh yeah, I will show you guys after this coding done. I will show you what is the margin, what is the padding. Okay, for the next, we have a navigation. Okay, because the navigation is important in here, because yeah, you can see here there is this enough there, guys. To store our brand, our feature. So for the next, yes, navbar, and then you can give a background color. Like this padding 20 px zip point zero. We have a border button. Like this, yes, we use like 1 px solid. Yes, and use color is not really white, so you use I, and then we can use position. For the position, you can use sticky. Yes, sticky. Okay, for the next, you can use top 0 and Z then is 900.99 guys. So okay. Oh no. We use this 100 only because it's maybe will okay guys. So you can see here before I have made like this like example guys. So like you can see here this is a we lot of coding, so we will run this one by one guys. That for the next we have a navbar content guys. So navbar is a class, and for container text as navbar with the container text. Will show you. Yes, this is a nav of navbar navigation navbar class. So on the this on inside of the class we have like container class. So this is has so because of that we must call the class. Yes, we must call like the two of this class. Yes, and we can use a display flex, display content, and then space between align center. And for the next, we goes to logo. Yes, and after that, we can use a font size. The font size is just 1.5 frame. And for the next, we use like font weight. Font weight. This is bold, maybe. This is bold, that's not maybe. Okay. For the next is color. Same colors as this three. Okay. And then for the next, we must make a logo. Span. And next is the color. Color is random, guys, like before, but I use this color. Okay, sorry. Okay. So that is like a red color, guys. So for the next is the navbar link. Navbar link is the link of the navbar. Link of the navbar. Okay. Maybe because the time is not longer, and it will like show you guys just this. So we will review this. So we until a nav link. So you can just make a link of the nav, and then you can just give like list style, display flags, gap, the nav links. Okay, we will copy this and we will pass the before copy this. So just let me this way. We will review one by one. So before we until Netflix, so on the Netflix, we can just give a lifestyle that's known as display flags, cap 20 px. And for the Netflix A, this is show that link to this is guys. You can add some link in here, guys, but because I don't have the link, and this is just a like example of the landing page, so I don't use any links. So you can give orange links, guys. It's decoration none, guys, because this is will change your the blue that's in the A, and then color, font weight, transition, color. Again, guys, this is a hover. So when we like our use like what is if we're pointing to the text that will change to the red color, that his name is hover. So we have hero, section hero, and this is the background, guys. You can follow me. And then for the padding, text align, hero text, font size, margin bottom, color, and then hero again. This is the pay text, and then btn main hover section. That's first class. And then this is the section title feature grid. So grid is like making some class card, guys. Okay, I will show you this maybe like share, guys. That show our my screen. So here you can see like this is a grid, and then this is a feature card can see here. Let me reverse. Oh, I forget, yes. We must link my CSS. You can like this, yes, link style sheet style CSS. And this is will change like this, yes. So this is how the website like change on the
Sorry for before we have like a problem because my laptop the battery is running off. So we next to Satria ya.
Okay,
okay,
guys,
yes.
because
Because
I
I
have a
have a
problem
problem
with
at the
the camera,
camera.
so I
I
use
use
the
the
Hafiz
Hafiz
camera,
camera,
guys.
guys.
So
So let's
we
we
review
review that's
our
our
project,
project,
guys.
guys.
So
So
here you
here you
can
can
see
see
our
our
navbar,
navbar,
guys,
guys,
that
that
you
you
can
can
see on
see
the
on the
HTML. You
HTML. You
can
can
see
see
on the
on the
navbar.
navbar, guys. So
Navbar is
navbar is
like
like
on
on
top
top
of
of
the
the
our
our
web
web
that
that
has
has
here,
here,
guys.
guys.
You
You
can
can
see
see
like a
like a
feature
feature and the
about
about. So
here.
here,
If
if
you
you
click,
click that,
you
you will
change
change
the
the
direction, but
direction. But
because we
because we
don't
don't
have
have use
any
any
link,
link, so
we
this
only
only
just
just
change the
change the
text.
text.
So
So and
then
then we can use, you
see
can
here
see
the
here the
hero
hero
section,
section, guys.
and in
And
the
on the
hero
hero
section that
section that
says
says
a
has a
card
card,
that you
that's
can
you
see
can
here.
see
This
here,
is
this
the
is the
card.
card, guys.
So
So
why we
why
have
we
like
have like three
of
of
the
the
this
this
card,
card,
because
because
this
this is
is
we using
like
like a grid,
to
guys. So we will
review
review
on
on
the
the
style
style
CSS,
CSS,
guys.
guys.
You can
You can
see
see on
the
the
feature
feature
grid
grid
and
and the
feature
feature
card
card
that
that
has
has a
a
grid
template
template
columns,
columns
repeat,
repeat
min
min
max.
max.
So
So
that's
that's
why
why
we
we
have
have
a
a
border
border
radius to
radius to
guess
guys
that
that
give the
give the
radius of
radius
the
of the
border, and
border,
then
and then
for the
for the
shadow,
shadow
that
like this, guys.
for
And
the
for the
hover,
hover,
this is
this
like
is
this,
like
guys.
this, guys.
If
If
you
you
point
point
on
on
the
the this
part
card,
that
that
will
will
like
like
moving
moving
and
and
transform,
transform,
guys,
guys,
that
that
has
has
light
a red
color.
color.
And
And
then
then
for
for the
next,
next, you
with
can
a
this a
CTA,
CTA,
guys,
guys,
ready
ready
to
to
start
start
our the
our the
first
first
project, guys.
project, guys.
So
So
this is
this is
simple.
simple.
And
And
for
for
the
the
register,
register,
you
you
can
can
give
give
your
your
number
number
of
of the
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
So
So that's where
this
this
maybe
maybe
again,
again,
and
and
will
will
automatic
automatic
to
to
set
set
your
your
WhatsApp, guys.
WhatsApp, guys.
On the
On the
CSS, we
CSS, we
can
can
see
see
here
here
we have
we
a
have a
CTA
CTA
background that
background that
has a
has a
background, guys,
background,
and
guys, and
then the
then the
color,
color
the
of the
text, and
text,
then
and then
text
text
align
align
center that
center that
will
will
change
change
your
your
text
text
to the
to the
middle,
middle,
guys.
guys.
And
And
then for
then
the
for the
next, we
neck,
have
we have
a
a
here
H2 that
that has
has
here,
this,
yes.
guys.
It
It
will
will
font
font
size
size
margin
margin
bottom,
bottom,
and then
and
the
then the
paragraph
paragraph
that
that
has
has a
this,
this,
guys,
guys,
this
this
point
point
is a
is a
paragraph.
paragraph.
And
And
then
then
bit and
btn
alt.
alt,
This
this
is
is
the
the
button
button
of the
of the
register,
register,
guys.
guys.
And
And
for
for
the
the
media,
media,
it's up
it's
to
up
you,
to you,
guys.
guys.
And
And
it's
it's
like
like
make
make
the
the
website is
website is
more
more
responsive,
responsive,
guys.
guys.
So if
So if
we
we
use
use
this,
this
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 website
website
will
will
responsive, guys.
responsive, guys.
Look,
Look,
this
this
website is
website is
responsive.
responsive.
And
And
okay, I
okay, I
will
will
tell you
tell you
about
about the margin,
margins.
guys.
So
So
you
you
can
can
see
see
here,
here,
margin
margin
is the
is the
outline,
outline,
and then
and
the
then the
padding
padding is
in the
in the
in the
in the
inside,
inside,
guys.
guys.
So
So
this is
this
for
is
the
for the
border.
border.
And
So
that you
that
can
you can
see
see
here,
here,
this
this
simple
simple
website
website is so
very
very
easy.
easy with the like
Maybe
maybe
10
10
minutes
minutes
of
of
10
10
minutes
minutes
or
or
20
20
minutes
minutes
coding, guys.
coding, guys.
Okay,
Okay,
maybe
maybe
that's
that's
all
all
for
from
me. I
me. I
will
will give back
this
this
to
to
our
our
host,
host,
Hafiz
Hafiz
Rizky.
Rizky, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So that's how to make uh what's the name? Landing page using HTML, and maybe that's all from us. Sorry for sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.